Hi, I'm Paul Smith. I'm the Maintenance Technology Supervisor at Greenheck. I'm here to show you our TPM process and some of the deliverables that come out of total productive maintenance, or a Kaizen event that we would typically hold on an asset.
Okay.
This TPM event that we held on this one was actually my first, so I remember it very, very well. This is on a Trump fiber laser that you see here. Some of the deliverables that come out of a TPM event, as you can see, we removed all of the German labeling from the keypad and put our own ones that make sense to our own process. Another example, we made a very comprehensive standard SOP procedures for PMs. That way the operators have simple steps to follow, because we really get our operators involved in preventative maintenance to make sure that...
Do the operators help you create these?
Yes, they do. They're involved. Yep, absolutely.
That's awesome. So they customize it to how it's most usable for them?
Yep, and what makes sense for them.
Okay.
You can see here we have their daily checklist that they can go through and check off, and that gets audited as well.
Yeah. This came from an event that you call a pit stop.
Yep, this is what we call a pit stop. Just like when you kind of take a race car out of the game for a minute, hit it with everything and let it get back in the race.
Refuel it, pump the tires up with air,
That's
and
right.
then everything's better.
Yep, that's what we do here. We take the equipment offline for a certain amount of time. We really blitz it, get it to a better state. You know, typically our equipment, once we're done with the TPM event, it's in better shape than it came when it showed up on the truck. So
that's good. That's good.
Here's another example of a deliverable. To really expedite our PM procedures, we'll put our filter media on the outside of our chiller units. That way we can just rip it off, put the new filters on very quickly, kind of like a pit crew wants to do things as fast as possible.
Good.
Another example, any maintenance mechanic or supervisor that's done pneumatics understands that it can be kind of cluttered and it can get confusing with all the different pressures and filters. We really simplified that. We have our part numbers on every single filter. We've labeled it, each number on here, the big 5, 7, 8, 9. That correlates to a step on the PM procedure. We also have inspection points. You can see the little sight glass with 81.
Right.
So that's inspection point 81, and that's going to give you a specific thing to look for. And there's going to be a picture that'll tell you what you need to find. Another
thing, this just makes life easier for the operators and the maintenance team.
For the operators and maintenance. It also helps in troubleshooting because, for example, if you look at this gauge right here, we've taken the time to put the green see-through material where the pressure should be. So when a downtime situation comes, it's a very quick visual check. Hey, are our pneumatics where they should be? You can look, bam, bam, bam. Pressures are good, move on to the next thing.
And so these ideas just come from trial and error.
Absolutely.
Just working on things, and then you get together in these events that you call pit stops, and you discuss the ideas and the things that maybe slow things down, and that helps you to make those improvements. Yeah,
it's amazing when you get someone involved who has no experience in maintenance or engineering. They'll come and they'll ask a question like, what's that? And I'll say, well, that's a pressure gauge. They're like, well, how do you know it's supposed to be there?
Yeah.
And that can spawn that, well, I don't know it's supposed to be there, it just is there. So let's put some type of an indicator.
Right.
And then we'll put those types of things on a daily checklist for the operator to come through and check very quickly. We'll also do things for the mechanics. In here, it's kind of hard to see through this. Actually, this in itself is part of the TPM event. This was just a piece of steel. So we put the see-through on here so that you can view it.
You can see it.
Also, there's a diagram. There's a pneumatic diagram inside there so that you don't have to look in the book for it.
That's fantastic. Easy access.
Yep.